In today's RV review, Jules will be reviewing the 2018 Wilderness 2185 RV by Heartland.
Hey my friends, before I get into my review of this 2018 Wilderness travel trailer, I want to let you know that I'll be looking for the pros and the cons based on me and my family of and our RV lifestyle, but I encourage you to discover what's right for you. Now for me, one of the most important things and benefits about RVing is healthy eating and cooking on the road. Now I love that because the kitchen in this travel trailer actually has everything I'm looking for. Now once again, this is a 21-foot trailer and look how cool the layout is. I like how it has kind of a peninsula sort of feel, but the other thing I really like is how they raised the counter area here. Now that did two things. Number one, it gives you storage here, which I like of course, but in also raising the counter area, it just makes it feel a lot more custom to me, and once again makes me feel more like I have all of the comforts of home. Now one thing right off the bat I have to tell you I'm not so crazy about. I've mentioned this before, but I am kind of messy when I cook. Now this backsplash is really cool. It looks like it has little gemstones in it, but look, it's only about 5 or 6 inches high. Now I'd rather have it go all the way up because honestly it'd be a lot easier to keep this clean. Now it's not the end of the world, I'm just pointing it out. One thing I really do love though is, and a lot of RV manufacturers are doing this, just want to point it out, this 3-burner cooktop. Now this is really great to have of course, but when you're not using the cooktop of course you can lay this cover right over and now you have more area to prepare or just have things out for a party, that sort of thing. Now it has, the sink is divided in two, so that kind of makes it easier for cleaning, preparing meals and that sort of thing. And once again the covers go on here. So with the way it's laid out, I really like the kitchen. Of course it has a microwave. Now another thing you don't always find in a 21-foot trailer is an oven. So you can actually bake when you're on the road. I love baking cookies. It's, you know, it's just a lot of fun. The other thing I really like is the storage. There's quite a bit of storage up here. There's also storage below. Now RVing's all about having fun, and for me that means parties too, right? There is an entertainment center that's really cool. You can actually play DVDs or CDs, and it's also Bluetooth. You can hook up to your Bluetooth and play music either inside of the RV. There's speakers. There's also speakers on the outside of the RV, so that's awesome. Now here's the deal. For me and my family, speaking of DVDs, we like to watch a lot of movies. So where's the couch? I come over to the dine-in area. Now this is really cool. This actually looks like it seats about 6 people, but I thought, now where's the couch? Well, here's the scoop. And I know I've shown these before, but this is really cool, and I'll tell you why. The table comes out, and of course the legs come out. Now you have a really large seating area for a couch for your family. But I thought this feels bigger than average, so I actually measured it from here to the end of the dine-in area, and it's 81 inches long, which is a little over 6.5 feet. Now what's cool about that is when the table, you pull out the legs, the table comes down, now this becomes a bed. And with it being a little over 6.5 feet, now it can sleep 2 adults. So this 21-foot travel trailer actually sleeps 4 people easily. Now to me that's an awesome feature. Now the other thing I like that they've done in this travel trailer is there's some custom features. The lighting just looks extra nice. There's some kind of that crown molding kind of look. Also the leaded glass look on the cabinets. So once again, RVing is all about feeling like you're at home on the road, and they've done a great job with that. Now when stepping into the area that's actually for the main bed, that of course is a double bed for 2. Now I like all the storage in the bedroom area as well. I like the 2 windows because RVing is all about bringing the outside in. One thing though I wasn't so crazy about is in the bedroom area for me, usually I like doors to, you know, make it a little bit more private. Now in this travel trailer, all they have is the curtain that comes across. Well, there's 2 schools of thought on that. Some people like the doors for the privacy. Other people feel like they're claustrophobic, like they're locked in a small room. So with the curtains, it is more easy breezy. It depends on what you like, so I'm just pointing it out. Now the other thing of course is the bathroom area. Now the bathroom, once again for a 21-foot travel trailer, of course it has a toilet. The vanity area is okay, there's not a lot of storage, but here's what's really cool. It actually has a regular shower door instead of just a shower curtain. Now I think that's a big benefit because that's going to keep a lot of the water from getting all over the floor and that sort of thing. So there's a lot of great features in this 21-foot travel trailer. Now how do you hook this up to your tow vehicle? Well, I've done this many times before. It's quite easy once you get it. What I've done is you can go to our YouTube channel. I have videos there that show you how to actually tow up your trailer to your tow vehicle. But listen, the proof's in the pudding on the road. So I'm going to take this girl out and see how easy it is to tow this wilderness. Let's take a look. The ease and safety of towing a travel trailer begins with the tow vehicle. The heavy-duty Ram truck gave me confidence and I felt in complete control. So here's my overall review of the 2018 Wilderness by Heartland. For exterior storage, I give it an 8.5. Interior storage, I give it a 9. For fit and finish, an 8.5. And for features, I give it a 9. So my overall rating of the 2018 Wilderness by Heartland is an 8.75. And when it comes to pricing, let's face it, we're all looking for a good deal, right? The retail price of the 2018 Wilderness is $31,848. And with outlet pricing at Seagram's RV, you can find the Wilderness for $20,995.